Okay, so we didn't get finished, so I wanted to take a few minutes to go ahead and go over the last few questions. So number 23 says simplify x to the 6 over x to the 4th. So when we have a division symbol, what we do is if the base numbers are the same, so x is your base number, exponent is the number up to the right, and it says that if the base numbers are the same and you're dividing, you subtract the exponent. So it's really x 6 minus 4, so then you're going to have x to the second power. Okay, so when the base numbers are the same and you're dividing, you subtract the exponent. So it's 6 minus 4. Okay, all right, number 24 says to write 16% in decimal form, so we can take 16% and we can do one of two things. Either you know the decimals here and we move it 2 places to the left, which we get 0.16, or you can say, well, I know it's 16 out of 100, and put that in your calculator, and you would get 0.16 as that way as well. All right. Number 25. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't show you. Number 24, okay, so no, number 24, 16%, move it 2 places to the left, or 16 divided by 100 is 0.16. Okay, on number 25, it says what is 80% of 250? Okay, so what is means equals, of means multiplication in mathematics. Okay, so some number is equal to 80% times 250. Okay, so we change 80% to a decimal number, so it's 0.8. Sorry about that. 0.8, or you can do 0.80 if that makes you happy. Then we're going to multiply that by 250, so we're going to put that in the calculator. And so we get 0.8 times 250, and you get 200 as our answer. So x is 200. Okay? All right. For number 26, says solve x over 24 is equal to 3 over 8, and we can use cross multiplication to solve this. So we say x times 8, and then we do 3 times 24, so the number 3 times 24, we get 72. And then the opposite of multiplication is division, so we divide both sides by 8. That means this turns into a 1 because 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times x is just x. And then 72 divided by 8 is 9. So x equals 9. Okay? All right, number 27. Solve 5 over 8 is equal to 20 over x. Again, cross multiply. So 5 times x and 20 times 8. So we're going to get 5x is equal to 160. Again, 5x means 5 times x, so the opposite is to divide. So we're going to get x is equal to 32. Okay, and I'm sorry, I'm not showing very good showing about your work there by pushing it up. Okay, so over here, x times 8 is 8x, 3 times 24 is 72, divide by 8, you get 9, 5 times x is 5x, 20 times 8 is 160, divide by 5, you get 32. Okay, all right, for number 28, x plus 3 equals 10. This is a one-step equation, so we want to move the 3 over with the 10. So the opposite of adding is subtracting, so we subtract 3 from both sides. That turns into 0, so we get x is equal to 7. If you want to check your answer on any of these, you can always go back and plug the number in. Okay? For number 29, we have 1/2 x is equal to 5. Now, normally if we multiply, we divide by the fraction. You can do that. However, remember that when we divide by a fraction, we really multiply by the reciprocal, which is going to be 2/1. Okay? And I just took the 5 here and changed it into 5/1. So, and actually, I guess if I'm going to say multiply by the reciprocal, I should do it the other way around. So, 5 times 2/1. Of course, you can actually drop the 1 on that side. That's okay. So the 1/2 and the 2/1 cancel out and turn into a 1. So you get x is equal to 5 times 2, which is just 10. Okay? All right, then last problem, number 30. Make it before the bell rings. We have 3x plus 5x minus 2x. All right, so to simplify it, we'll notice that they all have the letter x, so we are called those like terms. So order of operations says we add 3x plus the 5x and we get 8x. And then 8 minus 2 is 6. So we get 6x as our final answer. Okay, thank you.